Good afternoon. Dito po kami ngayon sa Mount Sinai Church ng North Caloocan 1 District. At kasalukuyan po ay kasama ko po ang mga kabataan ng district. At katatapos lang po namin ng pinaka-devotional part po ng aming activity. At ngayon ay nagkakaroon po kami ng prayer group. Kasi po sa mga oras na ito ay bigla pong bumuhos ang malakas na ulan. Kaya po nagpe-prayer group po ang ating mga kabataan na upang ang Panginoon ay mag-intervene, tumigil pong ulan upang makapagpatuloy po sa kanila pong misyon, sa kanilang paglilingkod sa araw na ito. At ako po bilang district pastor nila is very much privileged na naging part po ako ng kanilang activity after 2 pandemic years. Hindi po sila nakakagawa ng mga activity as district, as AY association sa distrito. This is their very first time na outreach activity nila as district youth association. And everyone is excited, and I believe God is so happy for them. So again, thank you very much, and may the Lord bless our youth. I will go.
There's a better home you'll see. While our steps may here each day, we'll help someone find the way.
Lord, we give our hearts to you. Make it yours alone. We'll be for you to love and feel, for someone your hand to heal.
There's a hand that longs to be held. There's a heart that longs to be soothed. Who will answer duty's call? Who will strive to do a bit more? I will go to Sydney. I will go as Jesus did. I will climb the mountain, cross the sea to share His love for me. I will seek to find the lost. I will have any cause. I will live each day to show the way. Who will go today? I will go. Blessed as Alex and Bull, perfect on every side.
Yet he lived his life each day to show us the right way. Lord, we give our hearts to you. Changes as you will.
As we seek our age forgotten song, use us to reach that goal.
There's a hand that longs to be held. There's a heart that longs to be soothed.